In this session, we'll be discussing how to access your Bluebeam project from a PC. I currently have Studio pinned to the right side of my screen, and when I left-click the Sign In option, I enter my password. If you're using a borrowed device, I recommend not storing your password. Once you're in the Studio server, you'll see the projects you've been invited to. Double left-click on the project and it will open. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the project header, as well as some of the subfolders that you have permission to view. As a student, you have read permissions to the first two folders and their contents. The third is where you'll interact with your assignments and your instructors. If you move your cursor onto the caret on the left side of the folder name, you can single left click to expand or collapse the folder. You can also double left click on the name of the folder to expand and collapse it. I'll show some of the project folders that you'll be using, but I won't go into detail as to the contents. When you get to the third folder, you should see your class folder with the instructor name. Expand that folder. Then you should see only your folder. This folder will allow you the read, write, and delete privileges. There are a few options on how to open the files. Double left clicking is the simplest. Once the file opens, it should take up most of the workspace on your Bluebeam interface. Down at the bottom center of the Bluebeam display, you should see the page number. The arrows to the left and right allow you to advance or backstep through the pages of the document. Now we'll be going through the process of how to check in and out and make your changes to the documents, then check them back in. Now at the tab at the top of the screen, left click on the lock icon. Select the option that says check out. The icon will change to a page that has a blue arrow pointing to the lower right. This means you have the document checked out. Now you should see fields on the page that allow you to edit. I'll go through a few of these so you can see how they perform. Move your cursor to the page icon to the left of the file name and click the icon and select Check In. Once this is complete, you can move on to other assignments. Remember, if you've checked out a document, you must check it back in so your coordinator or instructor can grade it. When you're done with the project for the day, remember to sign out.